Hi, guys, I am Mango. Mangoes are a vibrant tropical fruit, with colors ranging from green to yellow, orange and red. They are rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C and A, which are essential for immune function, skin health and vision. Mangoes are an important dietary necessity due to their antioxidants, dietary fiber, and hydration benefits. Typically, they vary in size, from 4 to 10 inches long, and can weigh between 150 grams to over a kilogram. India is the largest producer of mangoes, with significant production also in Bangladesh, China, Thailand, Mexico,